Hello everyone. So let's start our journey in learning Git. So in our previous video, we discussed about the basic commands which helps us to deal with file handling. I mean creating directories, how to delete directories. So this and all we discussed. And in this video, we will start working on Git. So open Git Bash. Hope you can see my screen clearly. So here. mm, let me close this because I just want to open my Git bash on my desktop itself. So I just right click on your desktop and go to show more options, and here you can see open Git bash here. So I just opening that, and then here I just want to create a new directory. So I gave a name for my directory, and now I just want to change my path to that particular directory. So change your path. You can give your own name. I just gave my a name simply, so you can give your own name for the directory, and then you can change your path to the particular directory. So you can see that initially I on desktop, and then I created that learn git today, and then I changed my directory to learn git today. So now let's see whether the directory is created or not. So here you can see learn git today is created on my desktop. So if you open this, now the folder is empty, right? So let's start using git in this particular folder. So whenever you just want to use git, so first you need to initialize git. So hit git init. So this command initializes the git. So now if you go to your previous directory, and if you see here .git file is created, right? So in this we are having some other folders and files. So as of now, let's skip this. I will tell you what this .git file will store, and as of now these things is not needed. Just see whether you got this file or not. So if you can't see that file, here you can see the view tab, right? So here uh, show, and then make sure that the hidden items is enabled. So if I just disable that, I can't see that. So once you enable this, then you can see the .git file, .git folder. Why? Because it's a hidden folder, so that's why you can't see without enabling that hidden files. So let's close this, and let's move further with creating a file in Git, and then how we can push that file to the Git. So let's do these things. So first, for creating a file, we can use touch command for creating an empty file. So touch file1 .txt. So you can give your own name, and you can provide your own extensions for the files also. I'm just creating a text file, so that I am giving .txt as my file extension. So hit enter. Now if you list the directory, you can see file1.txt is there. So you can see here also file1.txt is created. So now the thing is that file1.txt is created, but still it is not added to the Git repository. So what I mean, so let's check it using a command called git status. So if you hit git status, you can see no commit set untracked files. File1.txt is under untracked files, and it's also indicating that use git add file name to include in what will be committed. So see, now we just created git file, one file there, but still we didn't added that file to the git repository. So if you want to add your file to the git repository, first you need to add that file. See, in GitHub, in Git, while creating a file, the file first will be added to staging area. So staging area is the place where your files are stored locally. So if you want to move them to the Git repository, you need to use git add command. So git add file name, and if you hit enter, the file will be added. So now if you see git status, sorry, now you can see changes to be committed. So now you can see that untracked file is removed. So here we just added the git file1.txt to our git repository, which is named as learn git today. So that's why now the error which indicated here is removed, but still it's showing one more thing, and that is changes to be committed. So here, whenever you make changes in a git repository, you need to commit the changes. So without committing, you can't save your files clearly. So what commit means? Commit is indicates that whenever you add a file, you should commit the changes. Like, you need to finalize, yes, these are the things I did, and it is the final, and you can proceed. So for doing a commit, you can use git commit hyphen m, which means you are going to give a message for the commit. So here I am adding file 1 is added. So this shows that I am committing, which indicates that I am using a message file 1 is added for indicating a commit, which shows that file1.txt is added to my git repository called learn git today. So if I hit enter, you can see that one file changed, 0 insertions and 0 deletions. And now if you check git status, you can see that nothing to commit, working tree is clean, which indicates that there are no files in staging area and all the files are in git repository itself. So you can easily see the, now if you want to see the commit you made, you can use git log. So here you can see that commit, and file 1 is added is the commit message, and when you did and who did. So like this you can do git creation a file in git and adding a file to the git, and committing the changes and seeing whether the commit is successful or not. So that's it for this video. In our next video we will discuss more about git branching and all. Thank you. If you like this video, please comment, like, and share this video to your friends. If you want more videos, please subscribe to our channel and enable the notifications so that you will get all the notifications from my channel. Thank you.